into the global headquarters. Size Cycles. And we're swapping out 18 tooth front sprocket on the Sprint to a 19 tooth. 19 tooth was the OEM. That was the original. A couple of years ago, I had got new chains and sprocket, chain and sprockets on here, and the Triumph Rat guys say go to an 18 on the front. Way more pep, way more torquier at the low end, but what it does is revs the motor more, and I don't need to wheelie. I'm not going to do that. I need to just have it a little bit lower revs when I'm on the open road. That's more what I do. I would rather do more road tripping than wheeling. So need a big old 36mm socket, and O'Reilly Auto Parts will loan it to you. You're paying 22 bucks. You bring it back within 48 hours. You get your money back. So that's what the doctor ordered. I think going from 18 to 19, I don't have to lengthen my chain. Going back up to 19, all I have to do is, you know, adjust the eccentric. This Sprint has a single-sided swing arm. I do have the lock ring spanner that reaches in there that will move that hub in an eccentric in order to tension the chain or loosen the chain. So let's do it. I was spinning the back wheel with the chain. Yeah. It may not have loosened. I was just spinning the tire back here, so he's going to stand on the front brake and the back right there. Really trying to spin the back tire right now. He says trying to spin the back tire. Trying to move. Yeah? Well, there's a cheetah bar reinforcement right here called a passenger peg. Okay, now when it slips off, I don't want to bash up my fairing. 1, 2, I'm going. I think it went. Did you spin the wheel? No? Okay, on the brake. Jeez. I'm getting a longer cheater bar, man.
What's that thing torque to? So I've imagined this.
Is this still rolling?
What are you guys doing?
Oh.
I've imagined this.
Here, what do you say you have, Cal? What'd you get?
The redneck wine glass.
Show us. Walk up close here.
So I've imagined this existing before. And I was just at Goodwill and I found 2 of them. Wow. And it came with lids too. It's got the lid.
And it's 91 degrees outside. It's probably just that hot here on the garage. You've got it made, except what you should be having in there is moonshine.
Spin your moonshine around in there and see how it smells.
What will we say? Hell yeah, brother.
There are 2 of them in the box too.
Oh man, thank goodness for Goodwill, huh?
You got both front ribs? Got some lever arm on it. Dang. Let's go pop the wrench. It's gonna part the breaker bar. It's bending. Yes, it is.
Oh. Dang. No?
No, I don't think so. I mean, that's a pretty solid catch, man. That's pretty.
need a try the impact wrench. We tried about a 4-foot breaker bar on here. Let's go. Brakes on?
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's way faster.
Right on. Way better. Way better. I did. Well, I don't know that it totally matters, but before I put that new 19 tooth back on there, I'm going to clean some of this funk and grit and gunk out of here. I got some kerosene and a couple of different brushes. And I might as well clean it out of there and start all over again. All the chain lube, over time, it picks up dirt, road dust, dirt, and it turns it into this gritty paste. So I'm going to clean that stuff out of there. Why not? So I got the 19 on, 18 off. Tab washer, and that's got to go. Machine side in, dirty side out. Okay, we torque spec the 17 millimeter back here and the 36 millimeter there, and now I'm going to pry down the, what's that washer called? There we go. Check that out. That's all it takes. There. That's not going nowhere. Okay. Now my chain wasn't that slack. 17 millimeter, I backed off that binder, and this hub goes in an eccentric in order to tighten it. Need a chain ring, a hook ring spanner like this to hook back there. Let's see, I need to go from below going up to tension. There you go. There, see it tension it. And if you hook it here and you go down, you're making it go slack. It's kind of like your pants. Kind of like your pants. You pull your pants down and they get looser and looser. You pull them up and it gets tighter. That's what you got to do with the chain ring. All right. Now I've got 3 centimeters. I had 3 centimeters unloaded, and now the load of the bike is on it. Actually, it looks about right. So, yeah, we'll ride and see. What's the cool thing is on this front sprocket cover, I took the bolts out of it, these little 8 millimeter bolts, and I put them in my magnetic holder there. They are not aluminum. That's not aluminum weight. I think they might be titanium, but they're not magnetic. So who knows what those bolts are made of? Could be titanium. That's wild. I mean, it doesn't have to be high strength. It doesn't have to be lightweight. That's it. Re-gearing the Triumph Sprint. 2006 Triumph Sprint ST 1050. Off with the 18, on with the 19. Who cares about wheelies? I want to head down the open road without my motor revving and over revving. From side cycles, 4 wheels move the body, but 2 wheels move the soul. Ciao.